Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 12 geography. This is chapter number 5 human activity unit number 3 chapter number 5 primary activity. There are different kind of human activity done by the human being. We can classify it on the basis of their level and the technology and their production in different parts. So in this chapter, we will discuss about the primary activity done by the human being. So, let's start the chapter. Economic activities. Human activity, we can also call them economic activities. So, first of all, we should know that what is the mean of economic activities. Economic activities. Human activity which generate income are known as economic activities. It means whatever the activities done by human being but which generate income. Human being do so many activities. Some activity for the self consumption, like for the family needs and all, but with the help of these activity he can't generate the income. So basically only those activity which generate income called as a economic activities. These economic activities we can classify into different groups. These are primary activity, secondary activity, tertiary, quaternary and quinary. So we can classify these economic activity in 5 group: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary and quinary. In this chapter number 5, we will discuss only about the primary activities. Primary activities. So these are the basic activity done by the primitive or from the ancient times. Means whenever from the human being the developed different societies, जैसे से ह्यूमन बीइंग ने अपनी सोसाइटीज़ को डेवलप किया फॉर द डेवलपमेंट, फॉर द सर्वाइवल, ही done different kind of activities. So we can classify these activity in only primary. So primary activity, it means in which activity we extract the natural things from the nature, or we use the natural things for the production of different things. Like these are agriculture, fishing, hunting, gathering, mining, pastoral activities. These are different activities which called as a primary activity. The people, those who are engaged in primary activity, all those are called red collar workers. Means the people who are engaged in agriculture, mining, animal husbandry and all, these people called as red collar workers due to the outdoor nature of their work as well as the hardship of their work. So the red collar people, those who are engaged in primary activity, they called as red collar workers. The first primary activity initially or done by the primitive, or we can say the primitive human being, this is the hunting and gathering. Although we just saw this thing that there are different kind of primary activity like agriculture, hunting and gathering, mining, different pastoral activities and all, but the one of the important and the primitive one and the ancient one primary activity was hunting and gathering. Hunting and gathering, as I explained you, this is the oldest economic activity. यानी सबसे पुरानी जो एक्टिविटी है एग्रीकल्चर से भी पुरानी, वो है हमारी हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग एक्टिविटी. People located in very cold and extremely hot climates survived on the hunting gathering एक्टिविटी. सो एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू कि सबसे पुरानी एक्टिविटी है, सबसे पुरानी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, और ये एक्टिविटी उन रीजन्स में होती है जो या तो एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड है या एक्सट्रीमली हॉट है. सो इट मीन्स इन हाई लैटिट्यूड्स और इन द मिडिल एरिया ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स जहाँ डेजर्ट्स, कोल्ड और हॉट डेजर्ट्स हैं. Gathering is practiced in region with harsh climate conditions. So as I explained you, harsh climate condition, the climate can be too much hot or the climate can be too much cold. So in this way we can say that these kind of activity done means hunting and gathering can be done in the harsh climatic condition, या तो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी जगहों पर या बहुत ज़्यादा वार्मनेस या हॉट एरियाज में. We can see the map also, basically practiced for this hunting and gathering activity. These are the different areas. First of all, we can see hunting and gathering region. There are different area. First, as you can see that this area, this is North Canada. This area for the subsistence kind of gathering, North Canada. Then Northern Eurasian. This entire area is Northern Eurasian. North direction है and the Eurasia, Europe plus Asia, Northern Eurasian area. Then this one is the Amazon basin. In South America you can see this is the Amazon basin. In Africa there is a Zaire basin. This is too much hot area because Pacific आपके इक्वेटर के पास है. This is then some part of Pacific Ocean also. Then Southeast Asian, some part of Southeast Asia. These are the important reason for the subsistence kind of gathering. So it means people do or people collect the different thing from the forest area, from the cold climate area or from the hot climate area and survive their life. Rest of topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.